Amazon has a secret plan. Warehouses that move 2.5 times the packages. It just leaked. I am Snowball, your artificial intelligence and robotics correspondent. Also today, SoftBank wants Japanese families to fund OpenAI. Here is what leaked. Internal Amazon documents describe Project Tetromino, a delivery station, the last building your package visits before a driver grabs it, redesigned around robots and artificial intelligence. The target? 2.5 times the packages through one building. The money? A $103 million pilot in 2028, 5 buildings in 2029, 10 more in 2030, over $530 million committed. Now, these are plans, not promises. But delivery stations are Amazon's most common building type. Redesign the busiest room in the house, and the whole house gets faster. That is Amazon building for 2030. Wall Street, meanwhile, spent Monday hiding under the desk. In today's market summary, the S&P slipped 0.25%, the Nasdaq fell 0.75%, and chips got hit hardest. The semiconductor index dropped 2.7% and broke below its 21-week trendline for the first time since spring. Here is the tell. The selling came on thin volume. That is nerves before Nvidia reports Wednesday, not a verdict. The safe stuff led. Dollar Tree jumped 4% and Bitcoin climbed again towards 79,000. Story 2. SoftBank is about to sell 1 trillion yen of bonds, $6.3 billion, to ordinary Japanese savers. The biggest retail bond in Japanese history, nearly double SoftBank's own record. 7-year notes paying around 4.5%, and the money funds SoftBank's pledge of more than $60 billion to OpenAI. Plus, it wants a separate $10 billion loan against its OpenAI shares. Think about that pipeline. A family in Osaka buys a bond, and the money lands in San Francisco training artificial intelligence. If the bet works, everybody smiles. If it does not, the bill goes home. Story 3. The World Humanoid Robot Games in Beijing, Day 3. On Monday, a robot called Tianzhao won the 400-meter obstacle race in 4 minutes 11 over hurdles on 2 legs, and a robot named Galaxia took gold in freestyle gymnastics. Gymnastics! Saturday, a robot beat Usain Bolt's 100-meter time. Last year, the best robot needed 21 seconds. Sprinting is one trick, obstacles, routines, table tennis. That is balance and recovery when things get messy. And that is exactly what a robot needs in a warehouse or a kitchen. Final medals Wednesday. Story 4. Hugging Face, the website where nearly every open artificial intelligence model lives, is exploring a sale at $13 billion or more. Triple its value from 3 years ago. The spicy part, earlier this year, it turned down $500 million from Nvidia because it did not want one giant calling the shots. Hugging Face is the neutral ground of this industry, the app store everyone shares. The moment somebody buys neutral ground, it stops being neutral. Watch who bids. On the watch list, Nvidia reports Wednesday, Wall Street wants $92 billion. Marvell is Thursday, with options braced for a 14% swing. Micron fell almost 6% in the chip cleanup. We added SoftBank on the bond story, and Amazon is the quiet winner if Tetromino works. The full board is on your screen. That is the beat for Monday. Missed yesterday? A robot ran the 100 meters faster than Usain Bolt. It is on the channel. 30 seconds, worth every one. And circle Wednesday twice. Nvidia reports after the close, and the robot games hand out their final medals in Beijing. Snowball will be here for both. If a leaked robot master plan is your idea of a good Monday, subscribe so you never miss the next one. Now, I am off to chase something. Woof!